Kai, pause that.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Walton County in north-central Georgia, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Snellville, Oregon, 9 miles south of Lawrenceville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceville, Conyers, Snellville, Loganville, Grayson, Walnut Grove, Between, Georgia International Horse Park, Lakeview Estates, Mountain Park, Windsor, Nicholasville, Youth, Big Haynes Creek Park, and Rosebud. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The forecast for the metropolitan.
Severe thunderstorm warning for my county.